Hey guys, let's make pick and drop. So I'm going to replace the lace on the wig cap with my Swiss lace here. And this is what it's going to look like. Yeah, if you've been following me on this channel, you know how we do this. So basically, I don't use closure. So here, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to create my own closure. There's a detailed video on how I do this, but this is just, I'm going to fast forward this a little bit so this video won't be too long. Yes, what I'm doing, I'm ventilating. I'm going to create like smaller boxes. Like when I mean small, I mean really small. So in case if you're new on this channel, I use braiding hair to create my closure. So I don't use human hair, I use braiding hair. So by the time I braid on it, it lasts longer. It doesn't bring out those extra hair when it's getting older. So your hair, be sure to have very long lasting hair. So yeah, so right now I'm just ventilating. I'm creating smaller boxes like so, as in when I mean small, I mean really small, because the hair I'm going to do is it's going to be tiny, pick and drop. So I'm not going to fill up inside. That's a little secret. I don't fill up inside this box I'm creating. I'm just going to ventilate around it, and I won't fill it up. So let me just stop talking so I just watch what I'm doing. Yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
Okay guys, so we've done the first line. This is me trying to do another line, that's the second line. So basically I'm gonna do this over and over again till I fill up the wig cap. Yeah, so this is like the third line. So I did like 6 or 7 lines on each side. Yeah, like so this is like the end result of everything. 7 lines on each side, then the back 7 lines as well. Yeah. Hope you get the drift. So at this point we can start braiding our hair. So for the cutting I did into 5. Yeah, everything's into 5, but the front, the back, you have to feather it out to have that, you know, that tips. So right now we're about to start braiding the hair. Yeah, I just took you're gonna take a little piece of hair. You don't want to take something big because you don't want to look very bulky because it's a small braids. Yeah.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, if I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
Okay, this is the final look of our closure area. So now let's go to the recap. To fill it up, it's just easy. I've gone halfway, but I'm just show you what went down. So basically you can just take a little bit of hair and do like a crochet and knot it, and you can leave it this way. But what I did, I tried to braid mine. So after doing the crochet, after knotting it, I braided it as well. When you're filling up the recap, you might want to space it out really well. You don't want to be too bulky or like too full. You know, you want to look as natural as possible. Me, you know, it's a braiding hair extension. So yeah, right now I finished knotting it. I tried to just braid it. But you can leave yours if you don't want to braid it like I'm doing mine, because I'm a little bit extra. So yeah, so that's basically how we fill up the recap. Do a lot of spacing, knot it or braid it anyhow you want to do it. But yeah, any which way is good. You're still gonna get the same result as well. So guys, so this is how we're gonna end this part of the tutorial, and let's go slay our week. Yeah, but I said slay our week. Yeah.